Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to spill the beans on a secret method to skyrocket your TikTok followers to 1000 in just 5 minutes. Alright, let's get straight to it. Here's the ultimate formula to boost your TikTok followers in record time. First one, engage with trending content. Keep your finger on the pulse of TikTok trends. Engage with popular content by liking, commenting, and sharing. This increases your visibility and attracts followers interested in similar content. Second one, create high quality content. Quality is the key. Post creative and captivating videos that stand out. Use trending sounds, effects, and challenges to grab attention and encourage users to follow you for more. Tips number 3. Optimize your profile. Your profile is your digital identity. Make sure it's eye-catching and complete. Use a catchy username, a clear profile picture, and a compelling bio that tell people what you are all about. Tip number 4. Collaborate with other TikTokers. Team up with fellow creators in your niche for duets. Collaborations are shoutouts. This expresses your content to wider audience and can lead to a surge in followers. Tip number 5. Promote your TikTok on other platforms. Don't limit your promotion to TikTok alone. Share your TikTok videos on other social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to attract followers from different audiences. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow TikTok. Until next time, keep creating and keep inspiring. See you soon.